Hi, my name is Maurice Teo from Home Reno Guru, and today I'm here at Joo Chiat, best known for its colorful Peranakan houses, but there's something else interesting here, and that is DC Vision, their new showroom at Joo Chiat. So come guys, let us go and visit them. Hey, hi Aaron.
Hi Maurice. Hi everyone. Welcome to DC Vision, our new showroom at Joo Chiat. Let's take a look everyone.
Come, let's go.
With 20 years of experience in the industry, we have served over thousands of homeowners in our 3 branches, Joo Chiat, Tampines 1 and Ang Mo Kio Hub. What sets DC Vision apart is our focus on quality and service provided to our valued homeowners.
Aaron, I heard something exciting happened between DC Vision and Excel Hardware. You're running a promotion together?
Yes, we are having a new promotion. All homeowners will receive 8% cash rebate on your renovation. Next, we are having a new upcoming lucky draw. Stand a chance to win 50% off your renovation sponsored by DC Vision. Even if you don't sign up with us, come and get a free quotation and stand a chance to win 25% off your renovation.
Here, you'll hear from Aaron. All homeowners looking for renovation, please visit our 3 showrooms now.